Hello everyone, I was so happy in this video because today I am going to visit my friend's newly opened place, the Waffle Theory located at Ibrahimpatnam. From my location to Ibrahimpatnam, there are plenty number of buses are available, so I went along with my friend. Finally we are reached at this beautiful spot. Place చూస్తేనే మీకు అర్థమవుతుంది ఆ లైటింగ్ అండ్ డెకరేషన్ ఆర్ సూపర్. Coming to the menu, it's very reasonable price and waffles taste absolutely delicious, just perfect for current cravings. The best part, you can even play games while enjoying your waffles, which makes the whole experience even more fun. I think they are putting in so much effort to make everyone happy with tasty food. Finally, our gang enjoyed the waffles together and wow, it was so tasty. I truly recommended you all to visit Waffle Theory in Ibrahimpatnam. Don't miss it. Address is given below the video, friends.